Anytime you're drawing any sort of indicator, this menu is going to pop up, which is going to allow you to control the color. If you want to add text to it, the thickness of the line, you can see I can make it thicker or thinner, as well as if I want a straight line, dotted, or dashed. If I want to go into my style here, okay, we can make it so that we can extend the line to the right, to the left. You have a little bit more customization control right there, as well as if you want to save a template, you can click save as, and then you can have all of your templates. If I draw a trend line and want to change it, I can click on the trend line. You can click on this button right here, which is going to automatically prompt up all of your templates. Today, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to start using TradingView like a pro. And some of you are probably coming into this with zero TradingView experience, and some of you are maybe coming into this with moderate experience, but are looking for a gold standard TradingView setup. But whatever phase you're in coming into this, I'll turn you into a full-blown TradingView expert, so you'll have full mastery and control over your own charting, so that you can be efficient, organized, know a ton of keyboard shortcuts, and tips and tricks that I've learned over thousands of hours of using this software as a full-time day trader. So if you're a beginner, I'd recommend taking this video slow, locking in and absorbing it all. If you're a little bit more experienced and looking for something specific, I'll also put timestamps below this video as well. So here's how I'm going to break down the tutorial. And something to keep in mind, if you want to flip between pairs, you don't have to actually click. You can just hit the space bar, and that's going to cycle through all of the pairs on your watch list. Okay, and so using all of these tools, the position size calculators, the trend analysis, the smart money concepts, setting up my chart to have clarity, I can really snipe these exact areas and then allow the market with contained risk to be able to move in my direction, be able to make really nice trades. As promised, if you want to learn more about other indicators that I use in more depth, I'll put videos right here. Okay, so first thing that I want to cover is trend line. So anytime I'm taking trades, I'm basically looking at where a current trend is playing out. Okay, and without getting too deep into technical analysis, what I'm looking for are areas where the chart is just seeming to bounce off of repeatedly. So I can click on a trend line here, draw it along these high levels, and you'll notice once price actually breaks out of that level, this tool can be useful to basically pick areas where you can enter, set up a contained risk, and then predict where markets are actually going to move, which can allow you to take positions, and that's how we're actually able to make money as traders. Okay, but this trend tool is really going to be super important in identifying those important areas. Okay, there's also something called the parallel channel tool. So say I'm finding an opportunity here where we have a trend level being tested, then breaks. These position calculators are going to allow me to build actionable positions. So I can go ahead and click on my long position here. Say, for example, I know I want to enter right at this point. Okay, I can drag this up and I can drag this part as well. And you'll notice that's going to give me some data on the chart that I can use to actually build position. Okay, so I can double